Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Guys, I go by the name Lollipop, and I want you to watch this video where our own Vice President Yemi Osinbajo called out Jagaban Ahmed Bola Asiwaju Tinubu that he is a troublemaker. And also, in return, when it was time for Ahmed Bola Asiwaju Tinubu to talk, he too also said he wants to call out the names of troublemaker in their party. You know what? He called out Vice President Yemi Osinbajo too as a troublemaker of the party. He also mentioned Oshiomole's name. And who else? Chris Ngige. Those are the troublemaker of their party. You need to watch this video and see what I'm talking about. So it's just a fun. They're just making jest of each other. They're just mocking each other. So you can just, though the video is a 2016 video that just pump up the social media. You know social media now. So you can watch it and see who is the real troublemaker of their party. They all mention their names. So
of course, our own dear Asiwaju Bola calling Jagaban. I think that when you hear a name like that, it suggests so many things. One of which is that he is a troublemaker par excellence. And I must say that I have been at the box of the troublemaking for a very long time. Yet, while I served as Attorney General of Lagos State, he would often say, when I tried to explain that something should not be done in a particular way, he would say that, how will you have a job if I don't make trouble?
We are very troublemakers in the party, and they are very short of sure money. Chris Ngige.